Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect the email to the Candy Crush Saga app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Candy Crush Saga app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of Retrieve My Progress. Simply tap on it. If you are creating an account for the first time, you will see Create Account instead of Retrieve My Progress. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the option of Sign Up with Email and Log In with Email. Simply choose one of it, just like this. Now to connect with email, simply add your email and your password, just like this. And then simply tap on to create a King account. And that's it. This is how you can connect your email in the Candy Crush Saga app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.